Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes at the Samsung Galaxy A41. So for that we will need the dialer for, so just tap here on the dialer and then let's start. So it's star hash 0228 and hash, and then we are at the battery status. So here you will see the current voltage, the ADC, the level of charging, so we have actually 36%, and yeah, also the level blocks here, but don't tap here on quick start because you can damage your phone with, so don't tap here on quick start. So let's go maybe to the next secret code. It's a very nice one, I like it much. So star hash 0 star hash, it is the test mode. So you can check really your phone with, so first of all we can check here the colors on the phone. This is the red screen. May you see it on orange, but it's just because the light is very bright here on that phone, so it's red. Then we can check here the green color and so on, and so the blue one. So you can see if your phone can show the colors well. So then we will have here the receiver. So you can go back here if you double tap here on the arrow, so you can check the vibration. It's a permanent vibration, by the way, so for whatever you will want to use it for. Just tap here on the screen to go back, and then we have here the mega cam. So this means all the cameras here on the back. So if you tap a picture, you will take a picture of all the 3 cams at the back, and if you want to go back, you just double tap here on the arrow. Okay, so let's come here to the grip sensor. This is very important if you are maybe on the phone and that the display turns off and so on. This has to work. So if you put your hands here, it has to vibrate. So very nice. So vibrates, it works well. And the other sensor is here down because for the fingerprint and so on. So this have to work also well and so on. So if you want to go back, just go double tap here on the arrow. Then we can check also the other sensors like the gyroscope sensor, the virtual proximity sensor, and so on, the magnetic sensor for the compass. Don't know if you see that. So it's, if I move my phone, then these numbers are moving as well, so you can check if everything is okay. So double tap here to go back. Okay, the next point is the touchpad here. You can check if everything is okay, and then you can draw something here. But to get out, you have to touch all these blocks here. So all these blocks has to become green, that you can go out. So you can see if your touchpad is working well and if you can paint very well. Yes, I can. So naja. Okay, let's check the speakers. Very relaxing. I like it. So, but let's go to the next point. Now we can check here the sub keys. So this is the bar here. No? So for the recent tabs it works, for the home button it works, and for the arrow here, so for the back button it works as well. So just double tap here the back button to go back. Then we can check the front cam. Now you know how it works. So hello, by the way, and you can also take a picture here. We have done it already. So double tap here on the arrow to go out. We can check here the black screen. So here you can see if your display is damaged and so on, but you can do it also, by the way, if you off your phone completely. But here you can see now well, if your display have any scratches or maybe is damaged or something like this. So you cannot go really out there here, but you can use here the power button. So just tap the power button for short and you are back. And yeah, let's go now to the next point. To be honest, I don't know what it is. Just go and exit. And what is nice is also the version here. You can check here the model number. So this is how you can see if your phone is real or not, or if the phone is the one you have bought. So if it's really the one you have bought, and yeah, you can check this also on the package, on the box, and also as well on the internet to check if it's the phone you have bought. So I speak too much. Let's go out and let's go now back If you double tap here, you are back in the main on the keypad, on the dialer. Let's go to the last point, the service mode, *# 9090 hash. This is not so interesting, just if you are very interested in software engineering. So if you're a developer or something like this, you can check here some, but it's not that interesting, as I said. But I like the test mode as most. And yeah, I hope I could show you something new with that video. If you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yes, thank you so much. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.